What if I told you this beautiful miniature bicycle isn't made from metal at all? It's actually built using simple cotton swabs and a few everyday craft supplies. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to transform ordinary materials into an elegant miniature bicycle with realistic details. Whether you love DIY crafts or miniature art, you're going to enjoy every part of this creative project. Let's get started. To build this amazing miniature bicycle, we'll need just a few simple materials: cotton swabs, a craft cutter, and a piece of cardboard. These everyday items will be transformed into a detailed handmade bicycle. So gather your supplies and let's begin this fun DIY project together. Our first step is to cut 2 small circles from the cardboard. These circles will become the center hubs of the bicycle wheels, helping us keep the spokes evenly aligned and securely in place. This small detail will make the wheels stronger, more realistic, and perfectly balanced. Now it's time to prepare the cotton swabs. We're carefully cutting each one to the exact length needed for the bicycle wheels. Taking accurate measurements at this stage is important, because evenly sized pieces will help create strong, balanced, and realistic-looking wheels. Using the cotton swab pieces we just prepared, we're now building the 2 wheels of our miniature bicycle. Each piece is carefully placed to create a smooth, round shape with realistic details. Taking your time during this step will give the bicycle a clean, professional, and balanced look. Now that both wheels are complete, it's time to assemble the main frame of the bicycle. We'll carefully attach the wheels to the frame, making sure everything is perfectly aligned. As each piece comes together, the miniature bicycle starts to take shape, bringing our creative design to life. Next, we're preparing the smaller parts that bring our miniature bicycle to life. The cotton swabs are carefully cut to the right size for the pedals, while separate pieces are shaped for the bicycle seat. Paying close attention to these tiny details will make the final model look much more realistic and professionally crafted. Now we're crafting the bicycle handlebar using carefully shaped cotton swabs. Each piece is trimmed, positioned, and assembled with precision to create a realistic handle that perfectly matches the miniature bicycle. This final detail completes the overall design and gives the model a clean, elegant, and professional finish. Now we're preparing one of the most important parts of the bicycle: the gear system. The small gear, the larger gear, and the chain are carefully shaped and positioned before assembly. These tiny components add realistic detail and bring our handmade miniature bicycle one step closer to looking like a real one. Next, we're preparing 3 cardboard support bars that will form the main frame of the bicycle. Each piece is carefully aligned and joined together to create a strong, balanced structure. This frame serves as the foundation of the entire miniature bicycle, ensuring every part fits perfectly in the final build. To give the main gear a more realistic finish, we're wrapping it with thick thread. This simple technique adds texture, improves the overall appearance, and helps the gear look more like a real bicycle component. It's these small details that make a handmade miniature look truly professional. The main gear is now carefully wrapped with thick thread, giving it a clean, realistic, and handcrafted finish. After completing this detailed work, we're attaching the large gear, the small gear, and the chain to the bicycle frame. As these parts come together, the miniature bicycle starts to look just like a real working bike. With the chain and gears now perfectly in place, the miniature bicycle really comes to life. The smooth alignment and realistic details give it the appearance of a real bicycle in miniature form. This is one of the most satisfying moments of the entire project, where all the hard work starts to pay off. Now it's time to create the front basket, one of the most charming details of this miniature bicycle. The cotton swabs are carefully cut, arranged on masking tape, and glued together one piece at a time with precision. Once the basket is fully assembled, it adds a beautiful finishing touch and makes the bicycle look even more realistic and elegant. With the front basket securely attached, it's time to add the final decorative touch. Since the basket looks empty, we're filling it with a colorful handmade bouquet using green, yellow, red, and orange flowers. This simple addition brings the miniature bicycle to life, making it look brighter, more elegant, and full of charm. The handmade flower bouquet is now carefully placed inside the front basket, adding a vibrant splash of color to the miniature bicycle. With its beautiful mix of green, yellow, red, and orange, this final decoration gives the bicycle a warm, elegant, and lifelike appearance, making the entire project feel complete. Now it's time to attach the handlebar to the miniature bicycle. It's carefully positioned and securely fixed to the frame, ensuring perfect alignment and a realistic appearance. With the handlebar in place, the bicycle looks complete, balanced, and ready for its final decorative touches. And here it is, our miniature bicycle is finally complete. From simple cotton swabs and basic craft materials, we've created a beautiful handmade bicycle with realistic wheels, a working chain, a detailed front basket, and a colorful flower arrangement. This project shows that with a little patience and creativity, ordinary materials can be transformed into something truly amazing. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Tiny Craft Studio, and let us know in the comments what miniature project you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next creative adventure.